Debbie.
Hi.
Where are we?
We are at the Sundance High Plains RV Campground in Lamar, Colorado.
We got here probably around about 5 o'clock. Set up and set our sunshades out, and it was 100 degrees right now, which is about 7:30, and the sun's starting to set. And this is a lookout over the outside of the campground.
Behind me is the office where you check in when you get here. It also has the laundry facilities in the back. It's got some nice area to just come and relax. There's a table in there, couches. They also have 3 cats that like to sleep a lot. And they sell ice cream. I've never had Little Debbie Swiss cake roll ice cream before, but it was so good. I ate the whole thing. So the RV park itself is pretty large. You can see there's our site, and all the hookups are around the perimeter of the RV park. We asked about that because that's one of the most unusual layouts we've ever seen. So years ago, this property was a trucker's motel. According to the current owners, the person that they bought it from decided to change it into a campground. And interestingly enough, this person had never even been in an RV, never been in a campground. So it was a business adventure that he was trying. Well, apparently there were some hookups on the other side of the motel. So he saw them on the perimeter and thought that's how it was supposed to be. So he created all the hookups on the perimeter of the RV park. This is kind of the center area of the RV park. It's just like a real big party area. And from what we heard, the owner before these guys used to hold parties and events here. But the new owners decided they want it to be an RV park and not an event center. So they are focusing on the RV section. They have been working very hard on it for the last 5 years, and they still are not finished. They want to make it into more of a traditional looking campground where the sites are more side by side. We are in Lamar, Colorado. Why are we in Lamar, Colorado?
Because our next destination is our daughter's place in Lubbock.
This is about halfway between Cheyenne, Wyoming and Lubbock, Texas, without staying on the interstate. So we took some 4-lane local roads to come here.
It was nice to get off the highway.
Yeah.
As we took Cheyenne straight south, cut off of Denver and went back roads, and it's a really nice change of pace.
I tell you what, when I think of Colorado, I think of skiing. Okay? We're in Lamar, Colorado, which is the very eastern edge of Colorado. We're pretty close to the Kansas state line. Desert.
It reminds me a little bit of Lubbock.
Yes, yes.
Lots of dry scrub, green grass.
Yeah, so I had no idea that Colorado had desert-like areas, and now I know.
One of the first things we did when we came to this campground is hit the Welcome Center. The Lamar Visitor Center, which happens to also be the Welcome Center for all of Colorado. And what's cool is the backside of this used to be an Amtrak station.
We got lots of information, so we get a lot of choices of things to do here.
We are at Willow Creek Park. It's a really nice park. I have a couple different play areas for the kids, covered picnic shelters, lots of grassy areas, skate park.
Yeah, skate park.
And the other benefit is probably not even half a mile from the campground.
Isn't this spider cute? This is the kind of spider I don't mind running across, because it's not going to run across me. What a cute dragonfly. They have bugs all over this place. And they have a bumblebee, complete with a stinger on the back.
Here we are at Pike's Tower. Somebody named Pike took a nap down here and they decided to build a tower to memorialize it. Well, here we are, getting ready to start a bike ride. It's one of the cooler days we've had. It's only 80 something right now, getting a high of 96. There's the bridge to start the trail. You ready to have fun, Deb?
Yes.
Where are we going to go?
I'm following you on a bike trail.
I like that.